What up, gang? You see it right there. That's the Chevy C10. We got the LMC parts right here in the box, man. And we about to dump all this stuff out. We about to see what the heck we got in the mail, man. We got all these parts right here, man. Hey, y'all ready for that? Drop these parts up out this box?
Why, yes.
Yes, indeed. We're gonna drop these parts off, man. Now, real quick, we're gonna give a shout out to the cars in the yard, man. We got the 2010 Impala right there. That's my sleeper right there. You know, that's my beater. That's a 2010. Yeah, it is. We got the 2008 Silverado 2500 HD over here. Got the big bumpers on that thing right there. We ready for the apocalypse to take place. Just put the Cooper tires on there, 285 70s, 285 70 17s on this thing. Looking gorgeous, man. Hey, remember we did the unboxing last time, guys? I was showing you the control arms that I was planning on putting on the 2500 HD. And guys, we got them on there. Check it out. 2 control arms on the 2500 HD. Looking beautiful, guys. All right, so when the guys put them on, they knocked off the alignment pins right here. So I had to order more for them to put them back in so that the truck could be aligned properly. But all in all, man, they handle their business. They got things done. Next thing I want to do, I got to take it to the dealer on Monday. On Tuesday.
Wednesday. Thursday.
Because I got a little play. As you see in my other video, I did all the remedies, and now I see I got a little play in this gearbox, because with everything sitting here, that's the only thing that got play in it. So I'm gonna take it to the dealer, let them check that again, because the first time they said it wasn't none, so I checked it, and what do you know, there is play. And I'm gonna replace these axles next, these axle shafts. As you can see, I got a little grease come flying up out of there. Took this thing on that trip, picked that motor up, and I guess all that speed, man, hitting 100 mile per hour in this thing, kind of knocked that baby a little loose. So we got that going on right there. I'm gonna handle that, guys. But yeah, let's get to it over here on this 1500. Let's see what we got, man. See what we got in the box, okay? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm in the building, in the motherfucking building, man. All right, let's get this stuff out of here. Hey guys, next video, hopefully we'll be tearing this thing down a little bit. I gotta get the right bolts to put the motor on the motor stand, because I got the wrong bolts. So, and we ain't trying to be cross-threading nothing up in here, guys. We ain't trying to be cross-threading nothing, all right? So, this is what I got, man, for the C10 right here, though. My favorite place for restoration parts. LMC. As you can see, this is what we got. All right, guys, so this is what we got to do right here. All right, so I got my window. This is the window seal stuff, the rubber insulation. It goes on these window rails. I ordered new window rails for the front windows, because as you know, I replaced all the windows on the C10. And instead of trying to take the old window out of the old rail, I'm gonna put the new window in a new rail, okay? We're gonna put a new window in a new rail, okay? I bought some of these universal vacuum caps, you know, because you just never can be too sure. You wanna plug something off, you gotta have them on deck. Now we got some new wiring harnesses for the power windows, you know, how them things like to be coming off in there, coming all apart. So I ordered some new harnesses. Ain't gotta worry about that intermittent play, you know what I'm saying? So I also got this one right here for the other side. Let's see. I think I just got it for one door. I swear I might have ordered more than that though. But anyway, ordered some door parts. I needed all of these to retain my door panel that I just bought, because my door has these type of holes right here, and my door didn't come with those holes, these type of inserts. So I got that now. All right, so let's see what we got here. Another rubber insulator for the other window. All right, so let's see. Guys, I got a feeling this thing comes with two, which it looks like it does. I'm gonna end up having to send one of them back, because I was pretty sure it only came with one. Just ordering stuff, man. This right here is a transmission harness for the 700R4. that's currently on the truck. But you know, I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be doing that LS swap, LQ9 swap. So we're not gonna need that no more, guys. We're not gonna need that. But all in all, this is everything that we got here. As you see, let's see, I got the universal vacuum caps. I don't need that many doggone vacuum caps. I don't know why I ordered all this stuff. Probably gonna have to send this back, that back. And I still got that window strip that I ordered for the rear window that was extra. I gotta send that back too. So I'm letting it run up a little bit before I hit them up, tell them I need to send some stuff back. And we're gonna make that happen, guys. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right here, man. Look at my boys, they trying to race the motorcycle. They a trip. Hey, get back up here, Isaiah. Turn around. But guys, other than that, that's what's going on with the C10, man. That's what's going on with it. Get these parts installed. Like I said, we got the window. Still gotta put the window in this thing. Still gotta put the window in this thing right here. Both sides. Already replaced the front and the rear window. As you can see when this thing sit, man, it's weathering. That's what gets windows over time. You let the junk sit forever, but we ain't gonna let it sit forever. It's just sitting for a little bit. I'm gonna probably drive it this weekend. But yeah, and as you know, with this thing sitting for a while during this year, the clear coat started coming off of the wheels, so it's almost all the way off. So it looks like it's gonna come all off on its own without me having to worry about it. But what's weird is it only did it on the front wheels. It ain't do it on the rears. The rears still look the same. So maybe it's because of the heat that's generated from the brakes. But I mean, look at them spacers on there though, guys. What's the difference? Why? I don't understand. My baby need a paint job on the rear though. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna do some things to this motor that's under here before I snatch it out. Make sure this thing tight. When I snatch it up out of here, I'm gonna put a cam in this motor also. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. If I'm gonna sell it or give it to my bro instead of paying him $1,000 for this setup he gave me right here. I'd be better off just giving him $1,000 and selling. If I were anything, I could sell my motor and trans combination for a little bit more. I'm pretty sure he's still gonna. I don't know what he's gonna do. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, Will. We're gonna see what you do. Anyway, it's your boy C-Spec, man. Just coming to you, man, giving you a little update on what's going on. I've been shopping around, guys, on eBay. I'm looking on eBay. I'm seeing a lot of turbo kits. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do, being that they're so cheap to do. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a turbo kit for this thing, man. I'm gonna do the eBay turbo kit with an aftermarket with a not eBay turbo. I'm not gonna do an eBay turbo, but I'm gonna definitely do the piping and the manifolds. Yeah, I'm gonna do the piping and I'm gonna do the manifold for the eBay turbo kit. So we're gonna get that popping off on this thing. I'm getting this motor prepped up now with plugs and whatnot so that I can pressure wash it. I'm gonna pull my pressure washer around here. I'm gonna snatch these off and then I'm gonna power wash all this stuff, man. Get these valve covers looking immaculate again. Pressure wash all this stuff around the sides and the front of the motor. Get this thing popping, man. Get it back to a great potential where it once was. So that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see right there.
Can we get a toilet thing?
All right, so I just got the plug to put right there. And yeah, we coming along pretty good, man. But again, man, it's your boy, man. It's your boy.
C-Spec court.
Who is it?
C-Spec court.
What we about to do?
Open the box.
We just did. We opened the box already.
Where is it?
But guys, we about to get on out of here. These are windows, guys. I'm gonna throw these windows on. They already smoked. These going on the C10. All right, we're gonna throw these on the truck. That's what I got them rails for, so I can throw the rails on here so that everything just go on perfect the first time.
We're getting a toy. We don't ever get one.
Let's see. Go ask your mama. See what she think. But hey guys, I appreciate all my subscribers. You know what I'm saying, man. I appreciate you guys following me and everything. We got to keep it bumping, man. We're trying to grow this channel. So help me get these subs up, man. Help me get these, hit this thing with a like it up, man, so that we can get some new attention to the channel, man. We want some more attention to the channel. As you can see, we're trying to make it grow. And that's what it's all about. We want the C10 to get some notoriety. We want people to see it. All right. So, yeah. Okay. So, anyway, like I was saying, guys, please like, share, sub, and yo, you got anything? C-Spec Kurt about to be up out of here?
Yeah.
All right. So yo, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. Like, share, subscribe to the channel.
Daddy,
In the meantime, I'm about to be up out of here.
Daddy, what's this?
Oh, we can't go without cranking up the C10 though.
Daddy,
Cold
what's
start.
this?
All right, gang, so I got the keys to the C10. All right, so it's been sitting about a week, guys. I'm thinking it'll fire right up, being that it's cold, but I can't remember if it, I think it's usually, after tinkering around with it, I think it's a hard start when it's cold now, and it cranks easier when it's not cold, when it's warmed up, which it was opposite recently. But let's see, we about to crank it up. Ain't sound good, man. I hope y'all like that. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. That's your boy C-Spec Kurt. I'm up out of here, man. Peace.
Peace up. ISAIAH, yeah. ISAIAH, Walker. The Walker Boys. ISAIAH.